Hi viewer, today I would like to show you all how to view insights on Instagram Reels. Let's have a look. First, open Instagram app. Tap the profile icon on bottom right. From Instagram home feed, tap on the reel. Here you will find View Insights. Make sure you are using Instagram business account. To see Reels Insights, tap View Insights. Here you will find the number of accounts reached, the total plays, likes, comments, shares and saves. Also you can tap reel icon. Open the reel to check insights. Tap three dots. Then tap view insights. Here you will find the same reel insights. So these are the steps to see insights on reels. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.